Hello iPhone users, so when you make the widget stack, you get option of edit stack when you hold it and you tap on edit, right? You can delete it from here as well right away. You get option, you can edit the drive, right? So this is how it is. But when you edit it, you get two options here. One is of basically smart rotate, which is on, and again other is widget suggestions. So what does it do? Smart rotate is something like when you open your phone randomly and you see the widget that is shown directly. There are two, only one is visible at the moment, right? So whichever the phone thinks, the system thinks is best for you to see, so it will show that only, right? And for the widget suggestion, when you add some widgets accordingly, right, according to your will, but you want your phone to understand like which widget you want, so you tap on widget suggestion and you turn it on, and the system will add the widget app that you are using constantly. Like for example, you're using Swiggy constantly, so it will add that because the system knows that you have been using, so you might need it, so it will add it here. And to know how many widgets can fit in the stack, check the next video. Tada!